Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the interrelation between rights and duties. So first of all, let us understand what exactly right is. Right is the basic necessity of an individual that is required to sustain his or her life in a state. A right is a justified claim on others. Right is the capacity which makes other to do according to his or her will or interest. The term right was first time used and explained in the historical document supporting the development of human rights called Magna Carta 1215 AD. The concept of right is one of the areas of fundamental significance in legal theory. According to Aring, rights are legally protected interests. Now let us understand what exactly is duty. Duties are the kind of obligations. It is a kind of obligatory act that makes the person to fulfill his or her responsibility. Non-fulfillment of his or her duty, it becomes wrong. The fulfillment of his or her duty may become avoidance of wrong. So duty is directly and indirectly assigned or imposed or induced responsibility, non-avoidance of which may become the wrong. At such condition, wrongdoer may be subjected for the sanction or punishment. Bentham clearly states that duties are the obligations, charges onerous to him who ought to fulfill them. We have heard rights and duties are always related. Different opinions are found to have been made in respect of relation between rights and duties. Some contemplate duty in relation to right. Duty in the absence of right and right in absence of duty cannot be materialized. It means correlativity of rights and duty is must. Both right and duty are equally essential in order to give the real meaning. So rights and duties are considered as the two sides of the same coin. Duty in the absence of right, it has no meaning, or the right in the absence of duty. Rights and duty are correlated because if one person has right, then other person is sure to have the duty to fulfill it. According to Salmond, there can be no duty without corresponding right and right without corresponding duties, because as there can be no parent without a child. Paton has said that rights and duties are correlated, whereas Austin has claimed that rights and duties are conditional. Relationship between rights and duties are even more clearly shown by Hofeld's scheme 1913 AD. Here he has divided rights, duties, privilege and no right. Similarly, in another chart, he has divided power, liability, immunity and disability and tried to show interrelation between them, which proved that rights and duties are clearly related with each other. Also, furthermore, there is another principle given by Professor Lasky in the correlation of rights and duties. He said that in number 1 point that my rights implies your duty, your rights implies my duty, rights should be enjoyed for social good, and since I have respected others' rights, state should protect my liberty. So, from these points, it is seen that no individual shall be restricted from his or her rights, and every individual should perform his or her duty, enjoying rights for social good, where state is responsible for protection of liberties. So, rights and duties always are interrelated with each other. Thank you.